Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ayman and in today's video I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to add a WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. This WhatsApp app is completely free, so you don't have to buy any premium plan. Through this app, you can have unlimited conversation with your clients. I will show you step by step how to install and customize this app. After watching this video, you can easily add a WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. So without any more talking, let's just jump to start. As you can see, I am currently in the Shopify admin dashboard. Our first task will be to install the WhatsApp app on our store. So to do this, click on settings at the bottom left side, then click on apps and sales channels, then click on Shopify app store. After coming here, enter the name of this app in the search bar and open this app. Then click on the install button to install this WhatsApp app. Then again click on the install button. This is the WhatsApp app dashboard. Click on this WhatsApp button. Then enter your WhatsApp account number here. Then select the icon size that you want to display in your store. Then select where you want to place the icon on your website. Then scroll down and click on the save button. After clicking the save button, then an instant a pop-up will be shown to enable this app. You have to click on this enable widget button and enable this widget, then click on save button. After that, we will preview our store and see if our WhatsApp button is showing properly or not, and yes, our WhatsApp button is set up correctly. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video till the end. If the video is useful to you, like the video and share your opinion in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.